Good morning to one and all. My name is Dr. V. Shabrami Harama, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering, Mewad University, Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. First of all, I would like to show my gratitude to NPTEL team. Out of 2000 applications, they have been given consent to me as SPOC in the Mewad University NPTEL for participating in 4 weeks transition to online facilitation program. Thank you very much, sir. By using this technology and this concept, I will try to disseminate this advanced technology towards my students as well as the faculties also. If coming to my education qualification, I have been completed my PhD in Mewad University in 2019. Consequently, BTech, MTech and Intermediate also I have been passed with good academic record. If you are coming to Mewad University, the Mewad University is an autonomous body promulgated by the government of Rajasthan through Act number 4 of 2009 passed by Rajasthan Assembly. The university is further approved by the UGC 2F of the UGC Act 1956 with the right to confer the degree of the UGC Act. Our university have UGC approval, NAC approval, BCI approval, AICT approval, PCI approval, BIVOC approval and more approvals we have. Our university was established by Dr. Ashok Kumar Gadia sir with the concept of reach to unreach. By using that concept only, since 10 years we have been running this university in Rajasthan, Chittorgarh, Gangra. These are some of the key roles I played in Mewad University. If you are coming to the Electrical Engineering Department, in Mewad University, Electrical Department has well equipped infrastructure with labs and licensed version software towards the student. Apart from that labs, our department has been open technical today club. Our honorable chairperson has been always telling that the technical education not by hearting the concept. Whatever the student creativity, it should not goes to the lost. Whatever the thoughts he had, he should put on the paper through pen, and that concept we should publish in the renowned either journal, otherwise magazine. So in that concept, in that hope, sir, we our department with support of Electrical Engineering Department, the Mewad University has been created one Technical Today Club magazine with a good RNA number and with good impact factor. Whatever the students are getting, whatever the new thoughts and new topics, their articles we are going to publish in this Technical Today Club. The club was inaugurated by Mr. Jayant Shashrabudhi, National Organizing Secretary of Vigyan Bharati and our Honorable Chairperson sir, on 5th March 2015. Our department, apart from the education and apart from the lab exams, apart from the workshops, we are keen concentrate about the technology, updating technology. In that aspects, we have been conducted advanced research and recent trends in power system and power electronics 13th and 14th December 2013. In the same process, the national level workshop on fast forward solar energy utilization on 10th and 11th October 2014 at Mewad University. The renowned speakers are from the VIT University, Dr. SRS Prabharan sir, Mr. Nagaraj sir from the BARC Baba Atomic Research Center Kalpakkam and Mr. B. Srinivas Reddy, BARC Kalpakkam. And we have done workshop on energy and lighting technology, and we have done workshop on computational methods of numerical challenges in science and technology. All are recent advanced technology we have been done the workshops and seminars. The key speakers of this workshop is Dr. Vivek Shanmugnathan, VIT University Professor, Dr. Sarath Kumar Sahu from the VIT. And always we are provoking to the students for writing the articles and the research methodology from diploma itself. So on the same process, we have done the workshop on how to write the technical magazines and technical articles and how to we have to publish on 3rd March 2016. And we have been invited our MNRE advisor, Mr. Sohali Akhtar sir, for giving his valuable seminar on the guest lecture on renewable energy, present and future perspectives. And we are very, very keen interested, our faculties are very keen interested, and they are using the concept of through NMICT, IIT Bombay, all IITs which type of technology they are using. Same technology also we are using here in our teaching methodology. In that process, we have organized the NMEICT IIT Kharagpur from 10 July 2017 to 15 July 2017. The speakers are cited here. And FDP 101, the foundation program in ICT for education. 80 faculty members has been participated in the Mewad University, Rajasthan, in this remote area. And for this effort, Professor Pathak sir has came to our university and has given his great applause towards to us also. It is a very great achievement towards to us. Last but not the least, our Dean Engineering sir, Dr. Tanveer Ahmed sir, has made me as a SPOC, single point operating point of NPTEL. With the support of him and with the support of IIT Chennai, Kamala madam and Bharati madam and Professor Andrew Thangarajan sir, they are giving the valuable suggestion, and they have been sponsored for conducting the NPTEL awareness workshop in the Rajasthan. It is the first university we have been conducted NPTEL awareness workshop in the Rajasthan state, and they have given entire idea of the what is the NPTEL, what is the MOOCs courses, what is the SPIM. These are all the things towards faculty and towards total entire state of the Rajasthan faculty we have been disseminated. So thank you very much. This is my part of assignment. Thank you very much.